Hey campers, just wanted to show you guys what I ended up almost buying. This is a 1984 Toyota Mini Cruiser. I've been looking for a couple years. I went through a couple different vehicles now, trying to find that perfect weekend warrior vehicle. Had a Toyota Sienna that I started with. Currently driving a Ford Transit Connect that I've got converted into a camper. This right here is a 1984 Toyota Mini Cruiser. It almost was a sold deal. Little too weak, had a few too many soft spots in it, so I ended up passing it up. But I did want to show you guys this thing because it is freaking cool. This thing is an 84. It's got this 55,000 miles on it. Cab over bed. This was almost mine, but it was just a little bit too much work, and I wouldn't have had a solid shell. It would have just taken me a little bit more work on the outside just to get it to where I wanted to restore it. 55,000 miles on this thing though. 38 years old. Just wanted to show you guys what I ended up almost buying. So, thanks for watching.